I actually joined StarAgile back in 2022. That was my graduation year. So after completing my college, I just directly joined for the DevOps course. Training was great actually. It's a very good experience from the trainer. And once after my training is done, I have got placed in a company called Akron actually. That's from StarAgile. So because of my personal reasons, I have to quit the company. But again, I got in touch with the career services and I landed one more job from StarAgile, which is I'm so much grateful for the career services team. I wanted to especially mention 4 people like Bharat sir and yourself, Tasneem, and Nishita ma'am. And so these are the more like 3 people. Before training, I don't really have a good idea of what DevOps is, but by understanding of the things that which really made easy from the training, like the trainer, what he has taught us, it was in a very precise and very formatted manner compared to what you go on find on YouTube. It's like a very clean roadmap, kind of structure program. I was able to understand things way more easier than you can find definitely in the online, in the YouTube and everything, but you need a proper pattern to go through one and another. So that's what I understand in StarAgile, that the pattern and the curriculum was good. Just wanted to get into an IT software job, so that's the main motto. And I understand, like I've seen some reviews in the online about the StarAgile DevOps course, and I just went with the flow. Like I can't select any one of the single thing because everything is really great. The training period what I had is very good. I can still remember my trainer name. His name is Shubham sir. He did an excellent job in putting everything together. So after that, as in the career services, the first time the 2 people who actually helped me is Andrew sir and as well as Bharat sir. And after that, it was yourself, Tasneem sir and Bharat sir and Nishita ma'am. So I don't forget any one of your guys' names. I'm really thankful for every support that you guys gave. So the experience was like you get 3 to 4 jobs a week and you go and you apply, and basically the process goes on like if you get shortlisted and you need to work yourself up to crack the interview. And if you need any support, StarAgile is there. Of course, you could just ask one of the trainer who is available, so he would help you. So this is the experience. I would recommend 9 out of 10 because the structure is very good, and if someone who wants to just get in IT and tech, you can just go through the curriculum once, and if you are really interested, you can just go. Thank you.
Check out the DevOps course by industry-leading experts. Register now on the StarAgile website. Check out the link in the description.